Thank you, SM City Batangas. Finally, na-recognize din yung name natin. You are awesome. Congratulations. Yung minimithi mo ay natupad mo din. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. SM City Batangas. You are awesome. You are awesome. Most commendable employee and Mr. Congeniality. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love Girls Teens Department. I love them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you po sa award SM City Batangas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Finally, I got it. Ito yung hinahangad ko, yung maka-receive man lang ng kahit konting achievement. Finally, I got. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Kahit paano, naging happy ako ngayong araw na to. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are awesome. Thank you.